Morning class. Today's video we're going to go over dividing polynomials by monomials. So when you have multiple terms on the top and one term on the bottom. So when a polynomial is divided by a monomial, every term in the polynomial is divided by that monomial. So, for example, 9y plus 12 divided by 3. You're going to have 9y divided by 3, and then you're also going to have 12 divided by 3. So you can simplify both of them individually. 9 divided by 3 is 3. There's still a y, so that's going to be 3y. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so 3y plus 4. Let's do the same thing on this one. 16a plus 20b divided by 4. Divide our left side first, so 16a divided by 4. There's a plus in between, and then divide the right side. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so it's going to be 4a. 20 divided by 4 is 5, so it's going to be 5b. Alright? All you're doing is you're dividing each part of the polynomial by that monomial. Now, when you get three terms, it's the same thing. Divide each term, divide each term. I want you to try number 3. We'll do number 4 together. I know it looks complicated. It's really not that bad. So go ahead and push pause on the video until you've tried to do number 3, just like we did 1 and 2, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer. All right? Push pause now. Okay, so we can break this down. It would be the same as 27r to the third divided by negative 9r. And then we have a minus 18r squared divided by negative 9r. And then we also have a minus and 36r divided by negative 9r. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. So 27 divided by 9 is negative 3. Now we have r to the third divided by r, so there's 3 here, there's 1 here. 3 minus 1 is 2, so r squared. Negative divided by negative is positive, so this is going to be a plus right here. 18 divided by 9 is 2. R squared divided by r, there's 2 here, there's 1 there. 2 minus 1 is 1, so there's 1 r left over. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 36 divided by 9 will give us 4. There's 1 r there on the top, 1 r on the bottom. R divided by r, 1 minus 1 is 0, so that r goes away. So this is our final answer. Okay, number 4. We have 3 terms on the top. We have 1 term on the bottom, but we have 2 variables. You're still going to treat it the same. So this is the same as 12p to the fourth q divided by negative 2p squared q minus 18p to the third q, q to the second divided by negative 2p squared q, and then plus 18p squared q to the third divided by negative 2p squared q. We treat it still the same. Divide your coefficients first. 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. I have 4 p's on top, 2 p's on bottom. So 4 minus 2, that'll give me 2 p's left over, and that'll be on top. Q to the first divided by q to the first. There leaves me no more q's. Now we've got a minus and a negative. Negative divided by negative is positive. Divide your numbers. 18 divided by 2 is 9. P to the third divided by p squared. 3 minus 2. There's 1 p left over. And now there's 2 q's minus 1 q, so this one will have 1 q left over. Positive divided by negative is a negative. 18 divided by 2 is also 9. P squared divided by p squared, well, 2 minus 2 is 0, so the p's go away. Q to the third divided by q to the first, 3 minus 1 is 2, so q to the second. That is it for the new stuff. I'm going to stop the video here. We're going to do the review problems on the next video.